guys, this is Driving TV and welcome to another great video of our channel. Thank you so much to all those subscribers that have been with us until now and have been learning from our videos. We truly appreciate your support. In today's video, we will be learning about how to make left and right turns and the coordination among accelerating, brakes, and turning simultaneously. Coordination is required when making a left and right turn, which can be challenging to most of you, especially if you are starting to learn how to drive. Don't be afraid if you're having trouble accomplishing this task. We are going to teach you guys how to do it, how to get it done appropriately, step by step. It is very important that you feel comfortable performing these left and right turns. This will definitely be on your road test. When we are about to make a turn in an uncontrolled or controlled intersection, uncontrolled intersections are intersections that don't have signs or lights to control whether you stop or not. So you just go around the corner. Now, the controlled intersections are the ones that have a light or a stop sign. So when you are approaching an intersection, in this case being controlled intersection, because it has a stop sign, approximately half a block, we're going to slow down. Make sure to signal, then mirror shoulder check. Once you come to a complete stop, make sure you have a good view of your surroundings because sometimes you're a bit far behind and can't see well if there is traffic or not coming. So pull up a bit and make sure that you're able to see if there is traffic or no traffic at all. Then slowly start turning the steering wheel to the right, release the brake, and press the accelerator softly. When you turn, make sure that you stay on the right lane. Now, let's go ahead and do a couple of these turns so you can see what I'm talking about and how do we do it. Now, we will make a left turn in a controlled intersection. When approaching the stop sign, approximately half a block, we're going to slow down. Make sure to signal on this case to the left, mirror and shoulder check. Once you come to a complete stop, sometimes you're a bit far behind and you can't see well as I previously mentioned. If that's the case and there is traffic coming, pull up a bit more until you're able to see if there is no traffic coming. Once the road is clear, release the brake and press the accelerator softly and start turning the steering wheel to the left. When performing this turn, make sure you end up on the right lane. Turning on uncontrolled intersections, which basically means with no light or stop sign. In this case, it's a bit different because we're not going to be making a stop, especially on the right turns. Let's go ahead and show you how to do a right turn. When approaching the intersection, apply the brakes softly and slow down to about 10 miles per hour. This will allow us to perform the turn nicely. As you get closer to the corner, begin to turn the steering wheel to the right. Once the turn is fully done and you are established on the right lane, go ahead and press the accelerator to gain speed. We can go ahead and do a few of these so you have a better understanding. Alright, so we're going to show you how to perform a left turn on an uncontrolled intersection. As you're approaching the intersection, apply the brake softly and slow down to about 10 or 15 miles per hour. This will allow us to perform the turn nicely. Turn your left signal on, do a mirror and shoulder check, and make sure there is no traffic coming from the opposite direction. Once you notice that there is no traffic coming, begin to turn the steering wheel to the left and make sure you join the right lane. Now you can go ahead and press the accelerator to gain speed. Let's go ahead and perform a few of these so you have a better understanding. Alright guys, we have come to an end. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I want to also hope for that this video was somewhat helpful for all those new drivers out there. Make sure that you guys leave a comment below. If you have any questions, do not hesitate in asking. Also, make sure that if you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you, to leave a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a wonderful day.